Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be comparing IPFire, OPNsense, and pfSense to see which is best for 2025. So first, let's start with the IPFire. So the key features of IPFire is modular design with add-on packages, which is the Snort, Guardian, and etc. It also has integrated intrusion detection and prevention, which is the IDS or the IPS. It also supports VLANs, VPNs, IPsec, OpenVPN, and WireGuard. And lastly is real-time monitoring and logging dashboard. Now for its pros is it has lightweight and ideal for older or lower power hardware. It is easy to configure via web UI and frequently updated with strong security patches. For its cons is it has fewer advanced enterprise features, smaller user community, limited third-party integrations. Now let's move forward with the OPNsense. So the OPNsense, it has built-in IDS or IPS with Suricata. It also has built-on hardened PSD for improved security. It supports 2FA, high availability and traffic shaping, and lastly is a modern UI with real-time analytics dashboard. Now, for its pros is it is highly customizable and secure. It is sleek, intuitive web interface, and frequent updates and plugin support. And lastly is active community and open source. Now, for its cons is its learning curve for beginners. Some plugins may conflict and more resource intensive than IPFire. Now for the last one is the pfSense. So key features of pfSense is it has powerful packet filtering and NAT, extensive VPN options like IPsec, OpenVPN, and WireGuard. Enterprise-grade features like load balancing and captive portal. And lastly is its strong third-party support and packages like PF Blocker, NG, and Snort. Now for its pros is the battle-tested and widely deployed, great for both home labs and enterprise environments, rich documentation and community support, and lastly is the robust plugin ecosystem. Now for its cons is the complex for newcomers, some advanced features in pfSense Plus and everything, and then lastly is UI less modern than OPNsense. So for a quick summary, you can use IPFire if you're running a firewall on older hardware. If you prefer a minimalist setup, and lastly, if you just need basic VPN, IDS, and firewall functions. Now you can also use OPNsense if you want a modern UI and rich plugin library. If you are a home power user or SMB looking for flexibility. And lastly, if you care about BSD security and analytics. Lastly, you can use pfSense if you need robust, enterprise-level firewalling. If you want strong third-party integrations. And lastly, if you're building complex network infrastructures. So that's it for our comparison video. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!